Chaser of the Light. Chaser of the Light. Poems from the Typewriter series. Tyler Knott Gregson. Tyler Knott Gregson. So this morning I will do some reading for the poem from this book, Chaser of the Light. It's quite old. I bought it in the year 2014 in Kinokuniya. So it's 2014 in Kinokuniya, Singapore. So this is a poetry books, and I will read several poetries. I have wanted to review the books, but I think I should do it in English because I cannot translate nicely all of the words and sentences. So since I have tried to do 2 or 3 reviews in English, now I'll do it in English now. So this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Run for your life, for your joy, for your calm and peace of mind. Run because your legs are strong and your lungs are aching for the taste of air. Because what's the point of a life spent walking in the middle? Actually, I have read this poem during the 1st of December 2014. So it's 6 years ago, during the Sam's birthday, I read the poem to my people. I will read several of the books several of the poems that I like here. This one is a very calming picture of the mountain. Yeah, I wish I knew how to be patient like they do, like the mountains do. I wish I could push harder and stand taller every time I have shoved and pressured and slammed against immovable forces too strong to fight. I wish I knew the taste of clouds still swollen from rainfall. I have picked yesterday several of the interesting poetry that I will read today. Of course, there are some romantic, some about life, some about the world. Yeah. This one is a little bit romantic. Maybe I was born with you inside me. Maybe I have always carried you with me. Maybe you are all the wild in me. So actually, Tyler Knott Gregson has started to do poetry in the age of 12. He wrote in the introduction. And then one day, in an antique store in Helena, Montana, he bought the first typewriter, so the real typewriter, yeah, with all the tools and everything. So he bought the first typewriter. And he said, I remember the way typewriters smell, like dust and dried ink. I remember the keys and how they stuck when I first tested them. I remember the Remington logo fading in front. Mostly, I remember how there was still enough ink left in the original ribbon to type the very first poem in the typewriter series. So later on, Tyler Knott wrote a lot of poetry using the typewriter. So a lot of part of the poetry was written in typewriter model. So they use typewriter like this. Okay. I will miss you always, even the moments when you are right beside me. Time apart has planted longing inside me, and I do not think it is a weed that will ever stop growing. It will always live there, but my God, it grows the most spectacular flowers. Very interesting, yeah. So some of the idea is he find this kind of paper and then put all the blank and then just leave a couple of words, or he used the typewriter like this with the old piece of paper. This is the other poem. If I died tonight, I think I would like to come back as your morning coffee. Just as strong and just as necessary. So if I die, I will come back as a coffee. Very interesting things, yeah. And sometimes he likes to write haiku and write very, very short poetry, something like this. I like this one, and it's very, very short, yeah. Yeah. I will read it like this. I have blisters on my feet from dancing alone with your ghost. Interesting. I have blister on my feet from dancing alone with your ghost. So I dance alone and then I get blister in my feet because I dance too much alone with your ghost. Yeah. I'll do one or two more. This one is with all the picture and everything. Yeah. The big cloud. Oh, my soul, find peace in the stillness, in the dark silhouette of tree on the sky, mountain on the fire in the clouds. Find the calm you are choking for. Listen, now, slow the beat and listen. All things will find their way to you. All things will settle and the legs will float over once more. Have no fear, for you have passed through the darkness and carry the stains of color and residue of light from before it surrounded you. I like the short model. I like the way he used a very simple language, yeah? And very often it's very sweet and short. So this is the last one. This is the last one. So only the text is only the one with the bright color. For us, there is only one wish: to be adventurous pioneers and find ourselves at the end. Ever walk in hope, even though there be no goal to reach. There be no goal to reach. Very interesting book with a lot of poetry, if you like poetry. So this is Sunday. I usually try to have my Sunday with a short poetry, with sweet things, with not so busy idea of business and life, to breathe fresher air, yeah, in the garden, yeah. So this is the book about chaser of the light, chasers of the light, chasers of the light. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you and have a good Sunday.